I work the graveyard of greyhounds 8 days a week. Now I'm a trademark, got Bentleys parked on my street. I had pockets of pennies at Denny's just trying to eat. And now my money make money while I'm asleep. Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want, everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about.
Nandito tayo ngayon, tatayo sa simbahan kung saan palagi kitang pinagdarasal na sana ikaw ay maging akin.
Ay, mahal. Magpanggap ka na hindi mo pa ito alam. I love you. Wow. Thank you. Mahal, John Reddy. You are God sent and someone I never expect to have in my life. Despite every imperfections, kahit may toyo ako or tupakin pa ako, in times I am very unlovable, you still love me and understand me.
Ngunit sa huli, palagi pabalik.
Ano man ang inyong pagdaanan, palagi ninyong kasama ang Diyos. Na anuman ang inyong pagdaanan, manatili kayong tapat at nananalig sa isa't isa.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man.
Melissa, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si John Relly na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? John Relly, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Melissa na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito ko.
Thank you for always supporting me and saving me. In times na sobrang nadadown ako sa sarili ko, you always there to cheer me up. Thank you, baby, for loving me unconditionally.
Mahal, thank you sa walang sawang pag-aalaga sa akin kahit pagod at puyat ka sa trabaho. Hinahandaan mo pa rin ako ng baon pag ako papasok. Thank you.
I promise to give you the best of myself, to ask no more than you can give. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, with all I have to give and all I feel inside. In the only way I know how, ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw, ikaw ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. I love you forever, baby.
Ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko.
Itong regalo ko sa'yo, alam kong magugustuhan mo. Sana ingatan mo gaya ng pagmamahal ko sa'yo. I love you, baby. No, sweet. Wow, thank you. Mahal, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. But I promise to you that I will be the best husband to you and the best padre de pamilya of our family. Thank you and I love you.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo at ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ako palagi.